Today's topic for discussion is weedicides. Weedicides are used for the management of weeds in the field. Let us see all the details. A herbicide, which is commonly known as weedicide. It is a substance that kills the unwanted plants. The specific weedicide kills the targeted weeds, which is not harmful for crop. Next, let us see the 2,4-D. It is one of the herbicide. Chemically, it is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. It is introduced in 1942, which is manufactured and sold by many different companies around the world, and its molecular structure is C8H6Cl2O3. 2,4-D is used in many commercial products containing 2,4-D that includes. There are several trade names of 2,4-D, that is Weed Trim Second, Aqua Clean, Barrage, Plant Guard, Lawn Keep, Plantotox and Malerban. These are the trade names of 2,4-D which are sold in the market. 2,4-D is a chlorinated phenoxy compound. It functions as a synthetic herbicide, and it is used to control many types of broadleaf weeds. There are many derivatives of 2,4-D and they vary in solubility and volatility. 2,4-D is a herbicide and secondarily a plant growth regulator. Formulations include esters, acids and several salts, which vary in their chemical properties. Environmental behavior and toxicity is also different for each type of derivative of 2,4-D. 2,4-D is acidic, white to brown in crystalline solid. 2,4-D is used for the control of weeds present around the crop field. It is registered for use in both terrestrial and aquatic environments. Uses of products containing 2,4-D and 2,4-D, the product containing 2,4-D varies widely. It has a little effect on grasses. It appears to work by causing uncontrolled cell division in vascular tissue. Abnormal increase in cell wall plasticity, biosynthesis of protein and production of ethylene occurs in plant tissue, and these processes are responsible for uncontrolled cell division. The ester forms of 2,4-D penetrate foliages, whereas plant roots absorb the salt forms of 2,4-D, and 2,4-D appears to be similar in action to other auxin type of herbicide. 2,4-D salt and acid forms can be extreme eye irritants. 2,4-D is actively secreted by the proximal tubules of the kidney. The other toxic effects include damage to eye, thyroid gland, kidney and adrenal gland. The LD50 value ranges from 639 mg per kg to 1649 mg per kg in rats, depending on the chemical form of 2,4-D utilized into the study. All chemical forms of 2,4-D are considered low in toxicity for acute oral exposure based on tests with rat.